side-tied chicken feather shuttlecock ponytail.
Hey everyone, I've been getting DMs from many of you who, like me, have medium short hair and don't know what styles to do for daily wear or going out. With Women's Day approaching, I'm going to show you some sweet Barbie-inspired hairstyles that even short hair can rock. Let's get pretty and hit the streets with our besties. First, I'll tackle my messy hair using my new Philips Little Skateboard Straightener, which can both curl and straighten.
This has 12 adjustable settings, suitable for all hair types. I have thick, coarse hair, so I set it to 180 degrees. Section your hair, go from the roots all the way to the ends with a slight inward curl. Before buying, I specifically asked customer service about this straightener's special features. It has cutting-edge smart temperature control technology, which can control temperature in real time.
I wonder if any of you have experienced hair damage from using a flat iron. My last flat iron, if I used it for just a little too long, the plates would get hotter and hotter, and after using it, many of my hair ends would split, and my hair would become very dry. But with this one, I don't have to worry about hair damage from high temperatures. For me, one pass is enough. After straightening, not only do I feel it doesn't damage my hair, but the texture is also much better than before, and I don't need to go over it repeatedly, which reduces hair damage.
At this price to get such advanced technology, the value for money is truly excellent. After both sides are straightened smoothly, we'll then style the crown. A large section of hair like mine can go straight in because the plates are wider, making it very convenient to use. Hold the straightener horizontally, sweep it forward in a C shape, and your crown will instantly gain volume. Take 2 strands of hair from behind your bangs and braid them into a 3-strand braid. Tie the rest into a low ponytail, then make a horizontal hole and pull the ends through, tightening it. This style is very flattering for people with flat head shapes and is also very secure. For those who are more particular, you can also use small black claw clips to adjust the feathers placement, and for a Barbie look, just add a matching headband.
This hairstyle is both simple to create and incredibly beautiful, a Barbie-inspired half-updo.
First, I clip my bangs. I have a hair part, so I sweep them to both sides. Then I clip the side where they connect. Take a section of hair following the line just outside your pupil and tie it up. Then, starting from behind your ear, create a half ponytail. Let's take a look at the placement and how they relate. Make a small opening in the front section of hair, twist it to conceal the hair part, then pull the back ponytail through that opening. This technique will firmly secure your ponytail, ensuring it stays put and doesn't easily fall flat. We can also take a strand from the ponytail, braid it, and secure it with a colorful small elastic band, then do the same with the hair underneath and add a few small hair accessories for a sweet and playful look.
For your next outing, just wear this, a ribbon side braid.
First, let's curl our hair. The second unique feature of this mini flat iron is that its plates are infused with Moroccan argan oil. Anyone familiar with hair care products will surely know this ingredient. It's often found in high-end hair oils, meaning you're styling and treating your hair simultaneously. Plus, with negative ions, even my frizzy hair can be curled into something so smooth and shiny. First, draw a C shape on the top of your head. Then take a section of hair from the side. Secure it with a small elastic band. Create a small opening above the elastic and flip the ponytail's end inwards through it. Now, thread a ribbon right through that opening, then clip it together with the hair in front and behind. Next, braid this with a previously tied ponytail into a 3-strand braid. Finally, tie a pretty bow at the very end and you're all finished.
It's just so incredibly cute, truly adorable, a darling Barbie-inspired updo hairstyle.
First, separate your bangs strand by strand, then curl them to make them more bouncy and voluminous. This style of bangs is incredibly youthful and flattering. Next, pull out a few delicate strands of hair from your temples before tying your hair into twin ponytails. From each ponytail, make sure to leave out 2 additional strands of hair, then braid the remaining sections into a classic 3-strand braid. Wrap one of these 3-strand braids behind the other ponytail, securing it firmly with a bobby pin. Repeat the exact same process on the opposite side.
The hair that's sticking up can be tidied with a U-pin. Then use a mini flat iron to curl 1 or 2 loose strands to enhance the overall vibe. Finally, put on a Barbie hair clip.
It must be Barbie herself, isn't it?
Alright, let's quickly create a spring sweetheart Barbie look with our sisters.